Ready to see some game-changing finds? These mind-blowing TEMU gadgets are packed with clever tricks to make life easier, more organized, and way more fun. From smart kitchen helpers to everyday problem solvers, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. All the links you need are in the description below. Why settle for just grilling when you can roast and sizzle at the same time? This portable 3-in-1 electric grill lets you cook skewers with an automatic rotisserie while searing steaks or veggies on the side. Dual zone cooking means you can prepare 2 dishes at once without mixing flavors. The built-in oil box keeps things clean, and the removable tray makes washing up quick. Just plug it in and start your feast anywhere. When laundry can't wait, this compact electric dryer steps in. Perfect for delicates, underwear, and small loads. It delivers quick, gentle drying without taking up much space. The built-in timer lets you set it and walk away, saving both time and energy. Its sleek design fits in tight spots, from apartments to dorm rooms. Small but mighty, it keeps your clothes fresh and ready in no time. Long drives just got way more comfortable. This adjustable armrest pad gives your elbow a soft, supportive spot while you steer or relax. You can raise or lower it to match your perfect height, reducing strain on your arm and shoulder. The universal design fits most car consoles, and the black and red finish adds a sporty touch. Install it in seconds and enjoy every mile in comfort. Craving ice cream without the wait? This compact automatic ice cream maker whips up your favorite frozen treats right at home. 2 separate cups let you make different flavors at the same time. Perfect for when everyone wants something different. It's great for ice cream, sorbet, or frozen yogurt, all made with your own fresh ingredients. The separated design makes cleaning a breeze. Light exactly where you need it, whenever you need it. This 360 degrees rotating LED wall light pivots in any direction, so you can set the perfect angle. Choose from 3 color modes and 10 brightness levels with just a touch or remote control. The USB rechargeable battery means no messy cords, and the sleek wall mount design adds a modern touch. Perfect for cozy nights, late reading, or hallway lighting. Brighten your space with style and precision. This half-moon table lamp gives you even shadow-free light that's perfect for reading, makeup, crafts, or detailed beauty work. Switch between 3 color modes to suit your task and adjust the brightness for just the right glow. Its unique curved design spreads light evenly without glare. Sleek, compact, and versatile, it's the lamp that works as hard as you do. Work, relax, or snack right from your couch or bed. This mobile, adjustable laptop table rolls to wherever you need it, whether for typing, reading, or enjoying coffee. The height and angle adjust easily, keeping you comfortable for hours. Fold it away when not in use to save space. Perfect for home offices, living rooms, or as a thoughtful gift that's as practical as it is convenient. This bed is more than just a place to sleep. It's a full-on storage and tech hub. The headboard has built-in shelves, plus outlets and USB ports to keep devices charged and close at hand. LED smart lighting sets the mood, while roomy drawers underneath store extra bedding or clothes. A quiet hydraulic lift makes access effortless. Sleek wood and metal design ties it all together for a modern, organized bedroom. Bring retro charm and modern sound together in one compact design. This wave vinyl wireless speaker looks like a vintage record player, but plays your favorite tunes with crisp, clear audio. Switch between wireless mode, AUX, or TF card for endless listening options. Adjustable ambient lights set the perfect vibe, and white noise mode helps you relax or sleep. Perfect for your desk, bedside, or as a standout holiday gift. Real quick, before you buy your next Amazon gadget and waste hundreds of dollars, I've put together a secret Amazon cheat sheet that shows you how to save up to 80% on every order, and it's completely free. These are the tricks most shoppers don't know about, and Amazon will hate you for knowing them. Get your free guide. Links in the description. Trash duty just got cleaner and easier. This automatic sensor bin opens with a simple wave, so you never have to touch the lid. It closes quietly, keeping things neat and odor-free. Removable legs let you use it as a countertop bin or floor bin, depending on your space. Sleek and modern, it's perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or offices where hygiene meets convenience. Meet the mirror that does it all. This full-length beauty hides a spacious jewelry cabinet inside, keeping all your accessories organized and tangle-free. It swivels 360 degrees so you can easily reach every compartment, while built-in lights make finding pieces a breeze. The sleek standing design works as both a mirror and a storage solution. It's like having your own mini boutique right at home. Pet hair on furniture doesn't stand a chance. This 2-in-1 cleaning brush sweeps up fur from carpets, sofas, and even scratching posts in seconds. The bristles grab every strand, while the extended handle helps you reach tricky spots without bending or stretching. When you're done, just rinse it under water. It's reusable and ready for next time. Tough on pet hair, gentle on your furniture. Messy corners are no match for this folding storage basket. It pops open to hold laundry, fruits, veggies, or whatever needs tidying up. 4 smooth wheels let you roll it from room to room without lifting a thing. Built-in handles make it easy to grab, and it folds flat when not in use. One basket, endless ways to keep your home organized. Hosting just got a lot easier. This 360-degree beverage dispenser serves up 3 different drinks from one space-saving container. Each compartment has its own spigot, so everyone can pour exactly what they want. The rotating base means no awkward reaching, just spin and serve. It's fridge-friendly, easy to clean, and perfect for parties, family gatherings, or everyday use. Good lighting can change everything when you're getting ready. This LED makeup mirror gives you 3 color modes and 3 brightness levels, so you can match your look to any setting. The base doubles as storage for small cosmetics, keeping your vanity neat. USB rechargeable means no constant battery changes. It's your all-in-one mirror for flawless makeup and tidy organization. Small space, big cooking power. This electric pot lets you sauté, boil, steam, and simmer all in one. The non-stick surface makes cleanup quick, while the included steamer rack adds extra versatility. Adjustable power settings give you control whether you're cooking noodles, steak, or veggies. Perfect for dorm rooms, offices, or anywhere you want a hot meal without a full kitchen. Binge watching in bed just got a serious upgrade. This tablet stand pillow props up your device at the perfect angle, keeping your hands free and your neck comfy. The 360 degrees adjustable holder works with phones, tablets, and e-readers, so you can scroll, stream, or read without fuss. Soft plush fabric makes it cozy, and the detachable bowl keeps snacks right where you need them. Comfort meets convenience. Makeup brushes looking a little worse for wear? This 2-in-1 cleaner and dryer gets them spotless in seconds. The fast-spinning design washes away makeup, dirt, and oils, then dries them so they're ready to use right away. USB power makes it easy to plug in anywhere. Gentle yet effective, it keeps your brushes clean, soft, and performing like new. Snack time just got smarter. This portable tote doubles as a rotating lunch and snack tray, keeping everything neatly organized and easy to share. The sealed compartments protect food from moisture, so everything stays fresh. Perfect for school, picnics, camping, or road trips. It even comes with a silicone cleaning brush, making cleanup just as easy as packing it up. Turn any space into a comfortable guest room in minutes. This inflatable air mattress comes with a sturdy frame for extra support and stability. The built-in pump works without electricity, so it's perfect for camping or power-free setups. Durable material holds up to daily use, indoors or out. When you're done, it folds into a compact size that's easy to store or carry. Your workout just got smarter. This upgraded abdominal wheel uses an automatic rebound system to give you controlled rollouts and smoother returns, protecting your core and joints. The 8-elbow design keeps movement stable, so you can target abs, waist, arms, and legs with confidence. A built-in mobile holder lets you follow workout videos hands-free. Durable and compact, it turns any floor into your personal gym. Some decor pieces don't just hold flowers, they transform them into art. This set of 2 transparent spiral vases adds a modern twist to any arrangement. The unique swirl design makes even a single stem look like a masterpiece. Perfect for minimal ikebana displays or lush wedding centerpieces. Whether on a dining table, mantle, or event setup, they add instant elegance without overpowering the blooms. Some chairs are made for sitting. This one's made for relaxing. With its wide armrests, 7 slat backrest, and built-in cup holder, it's the perfect spot for your coffee, book, or sunset view. The weather-resistant wood handles the outdoors with ease, from garden mornings to fire pit nights. Classic design, sturdy build, just add your favorite drink and let the day slow down. This isn't just a go-kart, it's a ride-on cleaning buddy. Kids can zoom around with 5 different speed options, then switch gears to clean mode with the included mop attachment. The wiggle-powered design keeps it fun while helping tidy up the floor. A hidden storage compartment lets them stash toys or supplies along the way. It's part playtime, part chore time, and 100% entertaining.